We all want to flaunt those muscles that we see fitness models have. Personally, a skinny guy, I envy how these fitness models tend to attract beautiful ladies. I tried hitting the gym and my experience was the worst. Hardly did a day go by without me getting ridiculed and teased by other people who were in the gym because my body size remained unchanged. Apparently my efforts in the gym yielded no fruits. Are you that guy who always wishes to have abs that beautiful girls carve for? Are you that guy who is always teased because of your body size? Are you tired of working out overnight but yet nothing seems to happen? Fortunately, no-nonsense muscle building is your solution. After using this program you will be able to flaunt those muscles you have always dreamed of having. As a man, you will be to attract those beautiful girls you see. As a professional fitness model, you will be able to learn many things from using this program. In this review video, I am going to elaborately explain to you why you should buy and use this product. Vince Del Monte is the creator of this program. He is an award-winning fitness model with experience in bodybuilding. Vince has worked with numerous renowned Olympic strength coaches and bodybuilders in his life. He used what he learned from these professionals and his personal skills to come up with this program. 1. The product is customized differently for each customer. This ensures that you are able to achieve your results unlike other programs out there which the guidelines are the same for everyone despite the difference in your muscle type. 2. There is proof that it actually works. Many professional bodybuilders have used this program and it has worked for them. 3. It is adequately detailed. The author ensured that he left no information relevant for you, thus you are able to understand how the program works in just simple steps. 4. The program also issues you with information of a better nutritional diet that makes sure you can increase your body muscle size. 5. There are no harmful side effects to using the program. There are no pills or remedies that you are required to consume so as to increase your body size. The desired results are achieved by just better exercise of the muscles. 6. The program is simple to use. You are required to do certain exercises that will help you increase your muscle size. 7. Customer support is also encouraged. You can send your query to the author by email and you will be assisted. 8. The program offers a refund guarantee to you. If you purchase the program and you are not satisfied with how it works, you do get a refund of the money you used to purchase the program. No-nonsense muscle building has become sort of the gold standard of skinny guy transformation programs. If you are a skinny guy and want to learn how to transform your physique and are willing to follow the program and work hard, then this is the program for you. This is perhaps one of the most complete and comprehensive programs I have came across so far.